Hello, my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back. Today we're gonna create some super easy hairstyles. We'll incorporate into them some scarves and it will look just so elegant. So let's get started with first sporty one. So we'll begin by sectioning our hair. We'll select our top section higher than our eyebrows are, like I'm showing, and then we want to loosen the front pieces like I'm showing here, and we'll make a high half up ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull your hair only halfway through, and then you want to wrap the rest around your loop, creating a bun. We want to loosen it and pin it into place. And then we want to use a short scarf and we will tie it in the back, knotting them, and you're basically done with your first one. Then we want to move on to our second hairstyle. So basically I'll incorporate some clip-in hair extension to make my hairstyle more dramatic. Then we want to make a central parting. Now I'll use some smoothing cream, so this way I'll make sure that my hairstyle will not have too many pieces sticking out. And then we want to make a very low ponytail using a clear elastic. Now I'll grab a very long thin scarf like I'm showing, and we'll bring it through the elastic, so this way I'm making sure it will stay in place. Now I want to wrap it twice around your ponytail and tie it underneath. Now grabbing your hair and these two strands of the scarf, you want to make a simple 3-strand braid. So basically you use your ends of the scarf like 2 sections of your 3-strand braid. When you're reaching the ends, make sure to tie it using a clear elastic as well. Then you want to wrap the ends around your hair, and we'll want to secure with a simple clear elastic, and they're basically done. And now we'll move on to our updo. So I'll begin by making a low ponytail, and make sure on last time to pull your hair only halfway through. Wrap around your hair elastic the ends, pin it in place. Now you want to grab your scarf, bring it over our updo and secure it using a clear elastic like I'm showing. Then wrap the ends around our created updo and tie it underneath like I'm showing. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about these 3 cute elegant hairstyles. What you think about them? Would you like to see more hairstyles including scarves or any other hair accessories? And I hope that this inspires you too. Please don't forget about like, subscribe if you're new, and guys, you know I love you so much and you cannot do anything with that. Mwah! Bye.